Just practicing. What's going on? Today we are back in some more stunt practice on the Z125. I got my buddy out here practicing with me on my newer Z125, trying to learn what exactly is most comfortable for him, and obviously I'm learning what's comfortable for myself. He's doing first gear clutch ups and actually no, he's practicing second gear clutch ups right now, whereas I'm still trying to get it up in first and ride it out before I start doing something completely different than what I've been practicing pretty much all week. But yeah, second gear clutch ups is obviously the goal next, now that I know that the Z125 can do it, but I don't want to give up on doing this in first gear before I get to the next one.
Bro, that was the second gear. It just went straight back. Catching it out, but I couldn't grab the clutch.
Well, he just dumped the bike, and now he's back up and trying again. The little Z125 Pro. Oh, that one felt good. Got a 23 and 2018. Just practicing, repeating what it was that we were doing yesterday. And so we're on our second day. I think I just hit balance just now. It felt like I did. And I think I was probably too choppy on the throttle, and that's why it came down. But I feel a lot more comfortable doing them and practicing them, even though it's the second day of specifically doing the stunt practice, and I'm catching it when it gets to balance or close to balance better. I'm covering the rear brake, and it just feels good. And now I'm just trying to steady up my throttle and make sure that I am riding them out, and trying to get rid of my old bad habits, and hoping that it's just going to help me continue to progress. But here goes another one. This bike also has a full system on it, unlike my other one. So it's a lot more responsive, and it's coming up significantly quicker. It's it feels snappy, which is better than what it... What?
I'm afraid that if it's past here, I'm just gonna whoop.
Well, that's why you have to make sure you keep covering your rear brake, and you started trying to learn a different way to do it than the way that you were practicing all day, dipping it and leaning back. So you now have in your head trying to do something completely different, and it's messing up with what you know from what you were doing before. was good. I rode it up to like 20. I obviously like ran out of red line, but it still went up where like I want it to go up, and then as long as I just like coast it, then it comes in and rates pretty much like where you want it. And if you are choppy with the throttle, then you can get it. Oh, I don't see him looping back around. Let's make sure he didn't fall off of it again. Okay, he's good. He's up. Repeat. Did we like that one? I think we liked that one. I think that one was nice. That one was good. Also, why aren't I wearing my motorcycle boots? This definitely feels like different without my boots on. I saw that other one that you did while I was going that way.
Okay, I was gonna say that one was my best one ever.
All right, let's get another one going. That one felt good. That one felt like money trees. What I'm seeing is that the quicker I can get it like right up to balance, I don't have to accelerate as much. So like if I don't hit balance off the initial clutch up, I'm seeing that I have to ride it out and drop it down like because it revs out. But if I can get it to balance off the initial clutch up, then I have time to kind of just like ride through it. That one looked good. I don't know if it felt good. Like it went up, but I definitely kind of like let off too soon. Like I'm at least consistently popping it up to where it's going weightless. I just keep chopping on the throttle, and I think the engine brake keeps bringing me down. I have to get better at like holding on to it. Like I covered the rear brake there, and then I also hit the rear brake, which is why I probably came back down. So maybe the more that I do this, I'll get more in tune with throttle brake. Because I try to like catch it on the way up with the rear brake, and then after I catch it on the way up with the rear brake, I start giving more throttle. But maybe I like catch it on the way up, hold the throttle, brake, like just keep throttle pinned while using the brake to control it instead of letting off the throttle at all.